Hi everybody, it's Gemma. Welcome back to Pampered Wolf. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my quick and easy smoky eye. This is such a requested video on my channel, so I thought I better get it done for everybody. This is the look that I always go for when I've forgotten I'm supposed to be going out in the evening and all of a sudden I think, oh, I need to be ready in 5 minutes and turn this day look into an evening look in a flash. So if you are interested in seeing that, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget I upload on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM London time. A lot of you, even though you've subscribed and clicked that notification bell, which I always recommend that you do so that you don't miss any future videos, but a lot of you haven't been getting notifications even though you've clicked that notification bell. So please remember I upload Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM London time, and you won't miss any more videos. Let's get on with this one. So the key to a smoky eye is finding the right eyeshadow, and I always like to go for a cream eyeshadow stick. The ones I've gone for today are the Bare Minerals Bare Pro eyeshadow sticks. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm not quite sure these are available in the US just yet. These are relatively new in the UK, and they're £19 and come in 8 different colours. You can get them from QVC and anywhere where they sell Bare Minerals. If you can't get this in your country, NARS do some amazing ones. So do Laura Mercier. Revlon have started doing them, as have Max Factor or CoverGirl, as it might be in your country. So there are so many of these sticks available. The ones you need to choose, however, are the ones that do not set immediately. You need to have some blending time, but you also need to find some that do actually set. I find that the Charlotte Tilbury ones stay very soft on the eyelids, so they are a dream to blend, but they do tend to move throughout the day, and you don't want that if you are over a certain age and have crepey eyelids. I really like these ones. They're 40% water, and because they're 40% water, they really feel very refreshing on the lid, and they hydrate throughout the day as well. So I just find that my eyelids don't go as crepey when I'm actually using these products. I've got these in 3 different colours, Iced Champagne, Midnight Violet, and Smoky Chai. And I'm just going to be using the Smoky Chai one today to prove to you that you can create a beautiful smoky eye with just one shadow, and it's so super quick. So let's get some of this on the eye. Okay, so the equipment that you're going to need a couple of brushes. I've gone for the 230 Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. You're gonna have to excuse the state of these brushes. I did try this look out yesterday, so the brushes are slightly dirty. This is a generic brush from a pack that I got, but it is lovely and fluffy. And I've also gone for the Morphe E23 brush. I might end up not using this. It depends on how it all blends out on the lid a little bit later on. I've also gone for a kohl liner just to deepen everything up a little bit in the inner waterline. And this is the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable liner, which I really like, especially for tight lining, because you can really make it quite long if you want to without poking yourself in the eye with any wooden sharp bits from a pencil. And you'll need a mascara. Mascara is key for this look. I actually picked up this little Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara the other day just to try it out because so many people have been raving about it, so I am excited to get some of that on a little bit later. Okay, so we're going to take the Smoky Chai pencil, which is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. It does have a slight shimmer to it. It's really easy to blend. Like I said before, 40% water, so feels really refreshing on the eyelid. And first of all, I'm going to start by applying this just slightly above the crease to blend it out to get that smoky look. I think it's really important, especially when you're using a product that sets, that you apply the product in stages. You don't want to apply it all over the lid and everywhere and then find out that it's stuck and you can't blend it out. So I like to do the smoky bit first and then do the actual lid space last. So I'm just applying a little bit just above the crease. You can always apply more, go straight in with a brush and start blending that upwards. You want it to blend into nothing for a really good smoky eye. There shouldn't be a line left. These are really nice to blend out, but like I said before, they do stick. They will not move throughout the day. So there we go with that. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. Then I'm going to apply some to the lid. I adore this colour. There we go. Same brush. Just start to blend that together. Make sure it's all nicely blended. Then I'm just taking my bigger Morphe E23 brush, and I'm just really going to town on that outer edge, just to make sure everything is blended and there are no harsh lines. The key to a smoky eye is not seeing where it finishes. Then I'm going to take the stick again and go underneath. Don't be frightened to add lots of colour on the lower lash line. And I really am bringing this down quite low. Make sure it's a very, very light pressure because you don't want to drag the skin too much. Okay, so I've just done the other side. I absolutely love a really good smoky eye. Now, you don't have to leave it here if you don't want to. You can add further colours, you can deepen the lid up, you can add a little bit of shimmer, but this is my simple and quick smoky eye with just one colour. So I am going to leave it there for the smoky part at least. I'm going to take my e.l.f. No Budge liner and just tight line. And also do the bottom waterline as well. Just deepens up the eye and really adds to the smoked out effect. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and add some mascara. Now, I always like to curl one lash and then add mascara to hold the curl and then go and curl the other lash before I add mascara. Wow. So that's it, a really quick and simple smoky eye using just one eyeshadow. These are so easy to carry around with you in your handbag. They take up hardly any space and they definitely don't make any mess whatsoever in your handbag. You can change your look up throughout the day whenever you feel like it. This is more of a day smoky eye. You can turn it into a night smoky eye if you wanted to, or maybe this is enough for you if you don't wear very much makeup at all. But if you do want to make it a little bit more adventurous, a little bit deeper for the evening, then just add a bit more of a deeper shade onto the lid and blend that out, or use a darker shade all the way over the lid if that's what you want to do. You could also add a little bit of sparkle to the center of the lid. You can add liner if you want to. I didn't have any eyeshadow primer on my lid, by the way, just in case you're wondering. I just had my normal foundation all over my lid. So you really don't need an eyeshadow product for these products because they do not crease anyway. They really don't. They will stick in place if you find the right one. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you want me to do a more elaborate smoky eye in the future, please do let me know in the comments section. Also, let everybody know what your favorite shadow stick is. Which one do you find blends the best? Which one do you find doesn't crease throughout the day or sit in your fine lines and wrinkles? Do let everybody know in the Pampered Wolf pack what your favorite is and share your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe and join the Pampered Wolf pack. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you all in the next one. Bye.